For the Trinity Daiquiri, I wanted to celebrate the classic flavors of Louisiana. So of course the foundation of Cajun cuisine is the Trinity. Traditional daiquiri build, just rum, sugar, and lime juice. It's just that the sugar in this instance is going to be flavored with the celery and peppers. Garnish with a little bit of bay leaf oil, which is what's traditionally added as an herb after the completion of the Trinity gets cooked down, often followed by the pope or garlic. You'll go in with some of your herbs and spices, like bay leaves. Good afternoon, y'all. My name's Alexandria Bowler. I'm here at Emeril's today, and I am making a Trinity Daiquiri, which is going to be one of our features for the swizzle stick section of Louisiana Cooking. We're going to start by putting 3/4 of an ounce of our Trinity syrup, which is made from poblanos and celery, a little bit of fresh lime juice, and our local cane rum, coming out of Mid-City in New Orleans. So you will see me using this rum quite frequently. So the name is Cherami, which is both a common surname used in the Louisiana Cajun area, but it also means good friend in French. This particular one is made from freshly juiced sugarcane as opposed to molasses, the byproduct of sugar making. And all of this cane comes from about a 45-minute drive from here, which means that they get it directly into the still before instantaneous fermentation starts to happen. I'm going to top that off with a little bit of bay leaf oil. And there we have the Trinity Daiquiri. It is the perfect complement to a bowl of gumbo. Cheers.